Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into the exciting world of Trello card mirrors. This is your full 2025 guide to creating and managing them effectively. First up, let's create a Trello card mirror. Navigate to your Trello board and create a new card. Now, at the top right corner of the card, click on the mirror option. This action will produce a mirrored card copy. The reason we do this is because having a mirrored card allows you to keep track of identical tasks across different boards. Now that we've done that, let's talk about managing your mirrored cards. To manage or update, simply click on the mirrored card and make any changes you want. This helps us because any changes made to the mirrored card will be reflected on the original card. This is a great way to keep all your tasks synchronized and up to date across various project boards. Next up, it's important to regularly check the synchronicity of your mirrored cards. To do this, go back to your Trello board and select the mirrored card. Look for the Sync Now button and click on it. This forces an immediate update between the original and mirrored card. Let me explain why this matters. When working in a team, changes can be made often and at a fast pace. Regularly syncing your cards ensures you and your team always have the most up-to-date information. Finally, remember to archive your unused mirrored cards. To do this, select the card and click on the Archive option. This helps us because archiving unused cards keeps your boards clean and clutter-free. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you're now a pro at creating and managing Trello card mirrors. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in our next tutorial.